Let's find the derivative. We're given the function y equals x raised to the power sine x. This is a classic case where both the base and the exponent depend on x, so we use logarithmic differentiation. First, take the natural logarithm on both sides. Using log rules, the exponent comes down, giving log y equals sine x times log x. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. The left side becomes 1 over y times dE y by dx, and on the right side, we apply the product rule, which gives cosine x log x plus sine x over x. Next, multiply both sides by y and substitute y back as x to the power sine x. So the final derivative is x to the power sine x multiplied by cosine x log x plus sine x over x. And that's the derivative using logarithmic differentiation. Think you can tackle this derivative? Drop your answers in the comments. Got questions? Ask away. We love helping out. And don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more math challenges.